As for Otumfuo, he is a disgrace and a betrayer and a greedy person. Otumfuo is a greedy man.
Enipa eti ahodwo a ompe jese obesohwe ema kakra fa nani ase antra hunu se obesua nyansa ebuja finally Bawku ni ba na sebe obedi yewura opem so Otumfuo na se etobedi na tem no oba wontene abepa achew mema nchiribu no kire wadwen ama me ewo comment section hi Penyah block media message say ni dim obe like video no da my subscribe button na be click notification icon of latest update na be kire wadwen da ama me ewo comment section so ba so no ache for so nya bia hwe etwedi Bawku ntawantawa se na esitie eda ho na achepa yi ama na yata yenya asem no puma sibre etima asem no yede ko dai Otumfuo eye Mahama his excellency ena de adesredeke se to ye na anim se osre opem so entru nansi asem no so na onu nkuto na se oka obetumi di ye atu ye ntia osre na ese na entru nansi asem enka ema ye entoyi ama na so de ose eye oyo oje so pene Emma, you know how is it going on? Me brought update on that. Emma, it was a mediation process. Yeah, passumje. Yeah, medical one na win and what there. Yeah, passumje. It na national. Etna attempt SCC. Emma done the same with ever two.
Your Excellency the President, Excellency the Vice President, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I'm here not to give a judgment as to who was wrong and who was right. I'm here to present the facts as they are, for us to have peace. It is almost about 2.5 years since your predecessor invited me to mediate in a major conflict in Bawku that had not only claimed the lives of many innocent souls, but had become a major threat to the security of the nation. Almost a year ago, the people of Ghana handed the mandate of the governance of Ghana to Your Excellency, and you wasted no time in reaffirming the mandate of the Bawku mediation. By the grace of God, we are able to assemble here this morning for us to present to Your Excellency the report of the mission you entrusted to us. We present a report for your kind consideration, whatever action you and your government consider appropriate. Before dealing with the report, you will permit me, Your Excellency, to thank you and your predecessor for the confidence reposed in me in entrusting this delicate matter to me. There's nothing more grievous than the peace and security of the land. Like I said, it was a mediation. It wasn't an arbitration, and I'm not here, as I said, to say that this one was wrong or this one. I'll present the facts as they are, and that's what it should be binding on all of us, whoever is there. I've spoken to before I came yesterday, I was on the phone for more than with my brother, the Nairi, explaining the circumstances to him in terms of the decision I took. And I have spoken to the Bawku Naba, taking time all these periods to be speaking to everybody about it. I've taken the position that the established tradition since 1931, thereabout, is that the person who is Bawku Naba has the entire Kusasi area. By law and the declarations of the Supreme Court of Ghana, Asugri, Abugrago, Azoka is the Bawku Naba, and there cannot be any rival residing in Bawku claiming otherwise. I've impressed upon my brother, the Nairi, to accept that recognition by law in appreciation of the enduring brotherhood that has existed between our two kingdoms in order to ensure lasting peace and eliminate the national and international security threats that my brother himself is so concerned about. I have been candid with my brother, the Nairi, that the purported enskinment of Mr. Seydou Abagari as Bawku Naba cannot stand. I believe my brother, the Nairi, has come to terms with the difficulties that will pose to achieving lasting peace, which he desires. I have, from the inception, restrained both governments from effecting the arrest of Mr. Seydou Abagari, out of respect for my brother, the Nairi. The final resolution of the Bawku matters requires that Mr. Seydou Abagari be recalled to Nalerigu by the Nairi to be reassigned to play another traditional role at the palace of the Nairi, assisted by the state. Alternatively, he may choose to stay in Bawku as an ordinary citizen of the community, but not to pose as Bawku Naba. The final recommendation, Mr. President, I recommend that my brother, the Nairi, accepts the laws as presently constituting as constituting Asigri Abugrabu Azoka as the chief of Bawku and head chief of the Kusasi traditional area.
Emma de ba ekra no. It says ani je Emma obebo nana abaso.
For this very honorable job he has done for God and country. He has shown that he does not belong to Ashanti alone. He is a national asset. And so, Nana, I thank you very much. We've received a copy, and I'm happy that you took the decision to be transparent about it and read the report yourself. This has been covered live. The whole nation has heard you reading the reports, and I'm sure that we can act on it and make sure that we bring peace to Bawku. I thank you all very much. May God bless.
But also how I said we call you know. Na akọwie say sebe asumdwe bebe ntino na ahyeriga kuza mamprisi fo hene na owo Bawku honom no na ahyeriga no onfiri Bawku enko na yiri sede be ya asumdwe ebeba ema adiwe baaye no mamprisi fo no de krata ba won se omo ntiase oma asumdwe ema omo ntiase Otumfuo asem no kan no se kusasi hene abograbu azokan ono nanka on na wose oye Bawku na amba no ede fa de omo nyintu mediation size no Otumfuo no man kasa said amanti ase anya adwuma pa bia ase ntro omo ntiase because of that no almost that basa bi ewo ho no mo na if persuasion fails force must be applied. Otumfuo edan sem aba montene ese na hyediga onfiri Bawku enko na yiri still na owo ho no mo enam so ma His Excellency the President Obemu Emma Osman soldiers from ko tabiri na hyediga efiri Bawku ho no mo edne ko na yiri omuko born abomo dese efiri ho edne ko eno ana mampusi fon anyi omu de eti omu baba ako a oyo oba obekasa na ne kasa mu in fact empani for money mu a odi achiame atem odi achiame no retreat from.
There will not be peace in Bawku. I am saying this and saying it again. There will not be peace in Bawku. Come for me. I am waiting and ready for you. Come for me. Because there will not be peace in Bawku. On the 23rd of December, that night, you sent military to Bawku. And you didn't send them anywhere. You sent them to the town, Natenga, and arrested people. Not only Natenga, inside Bawku township. You arrested people. Random people are there doing their things, minding their business, and they were arrested. Up to now, our brothers are still there. They didn't do anything wrong. My brother was standing there to buy something from the shop. You came and picked him up. He spent, that's almost, how many days at the police cells there? What did he do wrong? Because of power. You are in power, and you have promised Kusasis to do all this for them, and you are really delivering your promise. Wow. King Promise. You have really delivered your promise. As for Otumfuo, he is a disgrace and a betrayer and a greedy person. Otumfuo is a greedy man. He's a betrayer, a snitch, a hypocrite. Yes, that is who Otumfuo is. He is a greedy person. What you have said in Bawku, can that be done in Kumasi? Can that be done in Asante region? You are in Asante region, but you rule Techima. How greedy can you be? Greedy man, evil man, wicked man. All you think about is what you get. Greed. We have been quiet for so long. JM, shame on you. Shame on Otumfuo. God will punish all of you. You think it's all about power. People had power more than you. Where is Rollins today? Were you powerful than Rollins? Rollins was powerful. Where is he today? 6 feet. Today, I sit here and I tell you that I am proud of myself. I am proud of the Mampurugu youth. Because today, the Kusasis are not able to fight us. It is government that is fighting us now. Kusasis are not able to fight us. Look at the number of Mampusis in Bawku. The Kusasis claim to be few, but they couldn't fight us. Now it is government. JM is fighting us for the Kusasi. JM is out here to fight us for the Kusasi. Here, Mama Yarga. They have come out now to fight us. Government has come out to use the military to fight Mampusi, and I'm proud of that. I am proud that it is not the Kusasis who were able to remove Bawku Naba from Bawku. I am proud that Bawku Naba was not removed by the Kusasis. It is the government, the NDC government, that is removing Nasherga from Bawku, and it is not Kusasis. Because Kusasis were not able to stand us. Kusasis can never do what JM is doing now. JM is using politics to fight for Kusasis in Bawku because of 0-0. Election is coming. Northeast. Do you think Kusasis are more than Northeast? You will get the 0-0 in Northeast. Inshallah, we are all here. We are not rushing. We will not sit down and watch the NDC party, the NDC government disrespect Nayiri and insult Nayiri. We will not sit down and watch that. You promised the Kusasis and you delivered. Can promise. Yes, you promised and you delivered. You will get it in return. Northeast, we are waiting for you. Northeast. The 0-0 you got in Bawku, that is making you do all these things. You get it in folds. Northeast, we are waiting for you. Not only Northeast, Mampurugu at large, we are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. You think you can use military to intimidate us? You cannot intimidate us. Nobody is afraid of you. Nobody is scared. Well, they are saying that some names have been submitted to the authorities to go after them one by one. JM, we are waiting for you. You have not done anything. We were not even expecting this. We were expecting that you shoot and kill us, not arresting. What can arresting do? Definitely you release us. You definitely, even if you arrest, you will still release us. No matter what, even if you spend 10 years in jail, we will still come out. You should have killed us like you did yesterday in Bawku. Yesterday in Bawku, 24th of December, you sent military to Bawku to go and shoot and kill our people. My brother was shot and killed yesterday. You, JM, that is your work, your government, NDC government. That is what you did in Bawku yesterday. That was what you did. You sent military to Bawku to go and kill the people. And everybody saw it. God will punish you. Punish Otumfuo. You think that is what will bring peace? You think that is what will bring peace? To oppress us, to intimidate us. That one will not move us. There will not be peace in Bawku. I am saying this and saying it again. There will not be peace in Bawku. Come for me. I am waiting and ready for you. Come for me. Because there will not be peace in Bawku. On the 23rd of December, that night, you sent military to Bawku. And you didn't send them anywhere. You sent them to the town, Natenga, and arrested people. Not only Natenga, inside Bawku township. You arrested people, random people. People are there doing their things, minding their business, and they were arrested. Up to now, our brothers are still there. They didn't do anything wrong. My brother was standing there to buy something from the shop. You came and picked him up. He spent, that's almost, how many days at the police cells there? What did he do wrong? Because of power. You are in power, and you have promised Kusasis to do all this for them, and you are really delivering your promise. Wow. Can promise. You have really delivered your promise. As for Otumfuo, he is a disgrace and a betrayer and a greedy person. Otumfuo is a greedy man. He's a betrayer, a snitch, a hypocrite. Yes, that is who Otumfuo is. He is a greedy person. What you have said in Bawku, can that be done in Kumasi? Can that be done in Asante region? You are in Asante region, but you rule a Techima. How greedy can you be? Greedy man, evil man, wicked man. All you think about is what you get. Greed.
As na enya sim kuma. E ma wagas na lady o aboda mo na wanu red and then one more. Den one fa no formadie. Ama na kasa sa obi anim de e kan no ba busia. Enra lady aye video. Opa Ghana for acho so osere. Yem pa na acho ma no. Wonu no opa acho.
Assalamu alaikum. On the 25th of December 2024,
5, I made a video concerning the Bawku issues, and out of emotions, I said certain things that was against the president and then Otumfuo, which I retract my words and I apologize. I'm sincerely sorry for what I said in the videos. And with Bawku issue, let's embrace peace and make peace reign in Bawku. Thank you.
Sankwasi asimo ya yados. Kwasi bia man ho so ba bia na odi ewura nim ene ebe fom. Owi a no asaba me paacho masa. Sankwasi asimwe 2026 mo nhyada me transfer twe camera si woni me keka wadwene wie na wi aba me paacho mpa sa me paacho fon no sankwasi ampaacho no mo nya steady wo ho no mo. Wonti me so camera me keka nkwasi asime wo mu ewie na wi a wa be me paacho masa. Ahwera munye careful sankwasi akeka na ekos media mu hwe yi kire wadwe ma me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!